if you want to set up inventory in Xero, all you need to do is go to Accounts and then into our inventory. Now in Xero, we have both tracked and untracked inventory, which means that if you want to track your quantities of the stock that you have on hand, then we do have the ability to do that. So for example, I've got a few here. I've got sort of the book, which is fish out of water. We can see the cost price and the sale price. The quantity column is blank, which means that it's not tracked at the moment. If I scroll further down, however, I've got some t-shirts there. Column has 5, 4, and 7, which is showing us that sort of tracked item there. Now to create new inventory items, all you need to do is click on the far left. So when you're setting up a new inventory item, the first thing you'll need to do is set up an item code. This can be any item code, but it can also be used to help you easily find your items later as well. And for this example, I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3. My item name in this case might be a football. You can select whether you track that item in the next step. So just by simply ticking that, it's going to track that particular item. So you can sort of say how much the quantity that you have on hand for that particular item. If you don't want to track it, you just leave that unticked. Further down, you can select whether you purchase or sell the item. So if you just purchase it, then you would untick the sell, and vice versa. If you purchase and sell it, then you would just leave them both ticked. And then you can go through and put through your unit price, which is just your purchase price there, the account that you'd want that to go to when you're creating bills, and again for the sale, so the sale price and the sales account. So in this case, I might say that this is $30, my purchases account is just purchases, and I might sell this for, let's say, $60. It's very simple. In this case, I just want to add the 1, so I can simply click through and save. Now we've just created our new football item. So again, when I'm creating, let's say, a bill in this case, so I'm going to purchase some more footballs. When we bring up our bill screen, we can sort of go through and put through the supplier. So it might be Bayside Club. And under our item column in the far left, we can find our items there. And we can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, which is football. I can also search for it if I wanted to in this item column too. As soon as I click on that, it's going to automatically bring up that description, which was football, and then again my unit price and that account.